Quick look at what an electrician earns in Nigeria. The average salary of an electrician in Nigeria is 1,600 US dollars a year. That is the average annual gross salary before tax, but after tax, your electrician income drops to $1,330, which leaves you with a take-home pay of about $111 each month. Electrician wages are noticeably higher in big cities, so if you work in Lagos, your electrician salary in Nigeria brings home $1,560 after tax. Pay outside the main hubs is well below that amount, though lower living costs usually balance things out. While an entry-level worker starts well below the national average, pay goes up quickly during the first few years. On top of that, earnings tend to plateau unless you move into a supervisor role. Having a university degree is not required for basic work, but an education helps you earn more and move into higher-paying positions like project manager or site inspector. Small local firms pay a fraction of what large national companies offer, whereas international employers pay the most. That is how much does an electrician make in Nigeria, so average electrician pay really depends on your location and experience.